Good day, everyone. Welcome to African Salt Film Production. As we proceed on into Isedale, Yoruba, my name is Agbuola Hamid Olusegun. In episode 8, we discuss about how it should hate to eat adi, that is arosing. Here today, we are going to discuss about the history of Oya, Iyasan, Iyamesan. Oya was among the Orisha that later descend from the heaven to the earth. According to sacred Orisha Dida, if I let us to know that Oya is being called two names. Oya Oriri, that name is given to her because of her likeness to wear a lot of colors of clothes. And Oya Araka because she can see the heaven and the earth at the same time. Oya Oriri is very important among divinities due to her position in Egbeorun, that is the celestial society in heaven. Oya Oriri has no intention to come on earth from heaven. Oya Oriri came to meet her husband, the one that had been her husband right from heaven, Ogun Lakaye Oshiimale. On getting to the earth, she found her husband, and they were living together as husband and wife. But Oya never stopped going back to heaven to have meeting with the celestial society in heaven, the Egbeorun. As this, her husband Ogun did not like. Àbí bẹ́yìn ò bá jẹ́ ọ̀ṣàkálá, àṣà jẹ́ ọ̀ṣàkálá, bí ó bá jẹ́ òṣòkòló, yóò jẹ́ òṣòkòló, èwo ni ọ̀ṣàkálá ṣòkòló. And this makes Oya Oriri to leave Ogun's house. After Oya Oriri left Ogun's house, she decided to live on the earth, but she never stopped going to the heaven to have meeting with the Egbeorun. During this time, Oya Oriri is living in the forest. Now, to make it more convenient to her, whenever she wants to go to heaven to meet with the Egbeorun made her a veil, Ago Igugun, with 2 eyes and 2 buffalo's horns, to wear it on earth whenever she wishes to join them in the Egbeorun for the meeting. One day after Oya's meeting in the heaven, she came on earth and of her clothes the Ago given to her and kept it in the ant house Obubu in the forest, and then went to the market to get some things. A hunter called Olukosiepe found the Ago in the ant house where Oya kept it and took it to his own house. Watch out for the next episode. Follow us on Yoruba Heritage on Facebook, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Agbuola Hamid.